Welcome to Letterland Unit 19. We are going to be talking about the long E sound today. Look at this word. We are going to finger tap it out so we can read this word and talk a little bit more about it. You only need one finger tapping for the sound. Ease. Ease. What makes these letters make the sound? Why do these three letters at the end make the sound ease? Think back to some of the other Letterland units we have done with silent magic E. We have silent magic E at the end of the word these, and we see that silent magic E has its magic sparking over one letter and landing on the vowel man. Silent magic E shoots its magic over one letter and makes the vowel man appear and say his name. So just like when we are finger tapping this word out, we have ease. And we don't hear an E at the end because he's silent. Yes, magic E does make Mr. E appear in this word, but there are not too many short words with Mr. E and magic E. Maybe it's because Mr. E likes it better being in words with his brother. Here are Mr. E and his brother, who is also named Mr. E. They love to go out walking together in Letterland. Look at the first Mr. E. He's waving and saying his name, E, as he walks along, but look at his brother. He has his hand up over his eyes as if he's looking for something. I wonder what he's looking for. Let's see if we can find out. When two Mr. E's go out walking, the first Mr. E does the talking. He just says his name, E, but his brother won't do the same. He's too busy looking out for robots. Let's read that again. When two Mr. E's go out walking, the first Mr. E does the talking. He just says his name, E, but his brother won't do the same. He's too busy looking out for robots. So what is the second Mr. E on the lookout for? What did you hear about in the short story we just read about the two Mr. E brothers? What is the second Mr. E on the lookout for? He is on the lookout for robbers. He is looking out for robbers and robot robbers because in Letterland there are robots that sometimes steal away the vowel sounds. So when we see these two E's, we know who is out walking? Mr. E and Mr. E. And the only first Mr. E is saying what? The first Mr. E is saying the sound E. What is the second Mr. E doing? He is looking out for robots, so he doesn't say anything. So the first Mr. E is out walking, waving his hand, saying his name, E. And the second Mr. E is looking out for robots and not saying anything. He has to be quiet on the lookout. So when we see these two letters, what sound do we hear? We hear the sound E. Let's make some words with the E brothers. Get those finger tappers up because we are going to need them while we read these words. S, E, S, E, C, tr, E, tree. Let's do that one again. E, tree. Nice job. E, keep. When I am finger tapping this word, I'm using one finger for the k. And then when I see two E's, I might get confused and want to use two finger taps. But really, those two E's make what sound? E. So we only need to tap one finger. Let's try this word again. K, E, p, keep. Nice job finger tapping these words. Now we are going to do tractors, trains, planes, and helicopters. First, we're going to start with tractors, so we're going to be moving slowly along. And if you want to stand up and move like a tractor as we read these words, feel free to. We are going to start and read the words slowly. See, need, feelings, keep, sleep, green, resting, next, help, these. Now we are going to be trains and we're going to be moving a little bit faster but pretty steady still. We're also going to start reading our story words and tricky words together. See, need, feelings, keep, sleep, green, resting, next, help, these, hurt, camp, there, soon. Now we are going to be planes, and this is the quickest round for us, but we are still reading at a steady pace that we can actually read the words. We want to make sure we're paying attention to those words and still reading them. See, need, feelings, keep, sleep, green, resting, next, help, these, hurt, camp, there, soon. And last but not least, we have helicopters, and we always talk about how helicopters can go all over the place. So that's exactly what we are going to do when we read these words. We are going to be starting with the word with the red arrow right now, camp, see, sleep, feelings, these, next, there, green, sleep, soon, next, camp. Nice job, friends, starting Unit 19 of Letterland.